Good morning children. Welcome to online class, history class. So which lesson is going on from the civics part? You know very well I think so. Central government lesson is going on. Is it children? Yes. So nearly 2 days class is over. This is the third day. Okay. So what are the things we learned already from this lesson? Once we can recollect. Afterwards we can enter into the today's class. Okay. So under the 2.1 what is given in the sense President of India is regarding the President of India. I explained I think so. Previously central government has divided, so it has consisted 3 branches. Okay, executive power, yes, legislative power as well as judiciary power, like that I explained. Executive under that president of India, vice president of India, then prime minister and council of ministers are there, like that I told. Then central government, that legislature, a central government's legislature is otherwise known as parliament, like that I told. Is it parliament has consisted 2 houses? Is it Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? Yes, Rajya Sabha has consisted 250 members, 250. Okay, so Lok Sabha has consisted 545 members. 545 members are there. Yes, out of 250 members, 250 members is 238 members elected by the state assemblies, like that I told. Remaining 12 of them, they were appointed by the president, like that I told. Is it children? Yes. So then if you take Lok Sabha, 545 members are there. Out of that 543 members, elected by the people. We are electing. Yes, our representatives, we are electing. Yes, then remaining 2 of them, nominated by the president. Yes, remaining 2 of them nominated by the president, like that I said. Is it children? Yes. Then that under that part of judiciary, so I am going to explain the part judiciary part today. Okay, judiciary in the sense Supreme Court of India. A Supreme Court of India is a guardian of our Indian Constitution. Okay, so under the Supreme Court, who are there in the sense of Chief Justice of India, then 27 judges are there. Other judges, 27 judges are there. Regarding them, I am going to explain today. Okay. Then, under the 2.1 President of India, regarding that personality also we learned. Then Vice President we learned. Is it a Vice President? He is the ex officio chairperson of Rajya Sabha, like that I said, I think so. Then regarding the Prime Minister, yes, regarding the Prime Minister, Council of Ministers. Then moreover I told, categories of the ministers, cabinet ministers, state ministers and deputy ministers, like that also I explained. Yes, their powers, everything I explained. Then finally regarding the parliament I explained, I think so children. Parliament has consisted of 2 houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha, how it is considering in the sense that's a council of states, like that they are telling. At the same time Lok Sabha, that is the house of people, house of people. Yes, so these are the things and I explained. Moreover regarding the money bill I explained, I think so. Money bill, which can be passed only in the Lok Sabha. Yes, so Lok Sabha, that's a question is there children. Okay, then remaining, from Tamil Nadu. Yes, from Tamil Nadu, how many members are there in the parliament, in the sense the Rajya Sabha? Yes, Rajya Sabha, how many members are there from Tamil Nadu, in the sense 18 members, like that I said, 18, 1-8. Yes, then in Lok Sabha from Tamil Nadu, 39 members are there, like that also. In the last class I said, I think so. Then regarding speaker also I explained, regarding the speaker. Yes, Lok Sabha head speaker. Okay, then powers and functions of the parliament. Before that, parliamentary session also I explained, budget session. Yes, monsoon session. Yes, then winter session. Yes, budget session in the sense February to May, like that I told. And then monsoon season in the sense July to September, like that I said. Then winter season November to December, like that also I explained, I think so. Finally I explained about the powers and functions of the parliament, I think so. Is it nearly 3 points I explained, I think so children. That is the essay answer, but that's very small answer only, short answer only. Okay, so today I am going to explain about the Attorney General of India. Yes, which page number? In the sense page number 254, you can take it children. Page number 254, you can take it. What is given under the Attorney General of India? He is the highest law officer in the country. Yes, he is the highest law officer in the country, Attorney General of India, as per the Constitution 76. Okay, so this is the one word answer. As per the Constitution 76 of the Indian Constitution provides Attorney General of India. Yes, Attorney General for India. Yes, so how he is considering, in the sense that he is the highest law officer. Yes, highest law officer in the country. Yes, so that is very important, children. One word answer. Moreover, president is appointing. Yes, president is appointing Attorney General of India. Yes, then moreover, what is the qualification, in the sense this person, that Attorney General of India, he must be a person who is qualified to be appointed as the judge of the Supreme Court. Okay, he can become Attorney General of India, he can become a judge of the Supreme Court. So that much he has the power. Okay, so he is appointing by whom? He is appointing by the president. Okay, then moreover, he can remove from the office at any time. Okay, so president only has the power to remove the Attorney General of India from his post at any time. Okay, then moreover, when he quit from the post, he has to give his resignation letter to the president. So that is given in the first para. So what are the things are there, in the sense Article 76 only, as per that Constitution, Article 76, it provided the post, otherwise office of the Attorney General for India. Then he is the highest officer, highest law officer, like that they are telling, highest law officer. Moreover, who is appointing Attorney General of India? President has the power to appoint. Okay, Attorney General of India. Then this person, he must be a person who is qualified to be, so he has the qualification. So what is the qualification, in the sense Attorney General has the qualification to be a member of to be a judge of the Supreme Court, to be a judge of the Supreme Court. Then who can remove him from the post, in the sense president. Yes, president has the power. Yes, a president has the power to remove him from the post, like that they are telling. Then he may also quit his office by submitting his resignation. So if he need to remove from his office, if he need to resign from the post, in the sense he has to give the resignation letter to the president, like that they are telling. That is the first para. Okay, so what are the duties are there, what are the functions are there for the Attorney General of India? That is given. Is the first function, what is that, in the sense he has the right, he has the power. Yes, he can give the advice to the government of India upon the such legal matters, but he has to consult with the president. Okay, so which is referred to him by the president. So he has the power to give the advice to the government of India. That is the thing. Okay, then moreover, one more power is there, so he has the right of audience. What is meant by audience, in the sense of plead in the sense, he can plead, vaadidalam. Okay, that is the meaning. He has the right to plead in all courts in the territory of India. Yes, further, he has the right to speak, to take part in the proceedings in the sense meetings of both the houses of the parliament. It's either Rajya Sabha, otherwise Lok Sabha also. He has the power to speak. Okay, he has the right to speak. He has the right to to express his opinion in the both houses of the parliament, like that they are telling, or their joint sitting. Okay, joint sitting time. Otherwise, any committee of the parliament which he may be named a member, but without he has no voting right, but he has the right to speak. Yes, speak his opinion in the houses of the parliament. Okay, so that is the thing, but he has no voting right, he has no voting power. Okay, so that's the thing. Then Attorney General of India enjoys all the privileges and immunities. Okay, so immunities, in the sense here it is given, one word is there, page number 255. Okay, satta vilakalipu. Okay, that is the meaning, immunities. He enjoys all the privileges and immunities that are available to the members of the parliament. So what are the powers or functions are there in the sense he can give the advice to the government of India, number one, upon the legal matters. Okay, legal matters. Okay, then second point, Attorney General of India has the right to plead. Okay, has the right to plead in all the courts. Any courts also he can plead, he can be plead in the territory of India, like that it is given. Then third point, what is that in the sense he has the right to speak. Okay, and take part in the meetings of the Lok Sabha, yes, Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha, but he has no voting right, like that they are telling. He enjoys all the privileges. Okay, and immunities in the sense, just before I said Satta Vilakalipu, okay, that are available to a member of the parliament. Okay, like a parliament members, he has the power. Okay, so that's a meaning. The next one, 2.6, what is given in the sense judiciary column. Okay, judiciary, very well, the first day itself when I was teaching, I told that that parliament, sorry, that were not parliament, the central government, yes, has consisted of 3 branches. The first branch is known as executive power, executive branch. Okay, executive power it has. Then moreover legislative power. Then finally judiciary. Okay, judiciary is the third organ of the government. It plays very important role in protecting the rights and freedom of the citizens. Okay, rights and freedom of the citizens. So Supreme Court, how they are considering in the sense, it's a guardian of the one word answer, children, guardian of the constitution. This is the one word answer. Supreme Court is the guardian of the constitution. So our judiciary, our Indian judiciary is autonomous. What does mean by autonomous in the sense? It's independent. Okay, autonomous, what is the meaning, children? Independent from the legislative as well as the executive wing of the union as well as the state government. Okay, so which is autonomous is a judiciary. Our judiciary is independent from the legislative as well as the executive wing of the union as well as state government. Okay, the next line it is given an integrated judiciary. Yes, integrated judiciary means an integrated judiciary means a single judiciary hierarchy. What does mean by hierarchy in the sense that is a system, single judiciary system for the whole country. Okay, so which one? Supreme Court, that is a single judicial hierarchy. Hierarchy in the sense system. Okay, system, SYSTEM. Okay, then judiciary plays very important role to is protect, defensive in the sense to protect. Defensive, what is the meaning? Protect the rights and freedom of the citizens. So which one is protecting our freedom as well as the freedom of the citizen, rights and freedom of the citizen in the sense judiciary. Yes, Supreme Court is the guardian of the constitution, like that they are telling, is it? So it plays very important role in analyzing and interpreting the necessities of laws and the constitution. So Supreme Court is the guardian of the constitution. If anybody violate, if any government violate the provisions of constitution, yes, so who has the right to ask? The Supreme Court has the right to ask against the person who violate the rules and regulations of constitution. Okay, the next what is given in the sense, children, in the do you know column. Okay, in the do you know column, what is given in the sense? Supreme Court it is given, the picture is given, you can check it, children. In the Supreme Court picture is given. Then moreover, the Supreme Court of India, so which year it was, it is located in New Delhi. Okay, it is located in New Delhi. It was inaugurated on January 28, 1950. Yes, so already I told, I think so, as per the Government of India Act of 1935, yes, the federal court was established. It is given. See, the Federal Court of India, was established under the Government of India Act of 1935. Okay, so that only, it is succeeded as a Supreme Court of India. Yes, it is located in New Delhi. It was inaugurated on January 28, 1950. Okay, 1950. Okay, January 28. Okay, children. Yes, then composition of the Supreme Court. So, how many judges are there? Yes, at present, how many judges are there? In the sense, 34 judges are there. Okay, yes, 34 judges are there at present. Okay, in the Supreme Court. Then, but in the year 1950, it was inaugurated like that. I said no. So, that time, how many judges were there in the sense? Only 8 judges were there. Only 8 judges were there in the Supreme Court that time. Yes, it the Supreme Court in the year 1950, it has consisted 8 judges, including the Chief Justice. Okay, but at present, how many judges are including Chief Justice in this is 34 judges are there. Okay, including Chief Justice, how many judges are there, children? One word answer, children. Okay, 34 judges are there. Okay, so that only it is given in this para. Okay, so just before I told 34 judges are there, including Chief Justice at present. Okay, the next one, appointment of the judges. So who has the power to appoint the Chief Justice as well as judges of the Supreme Court? In the sense, President of India. Yes, President of India has the power to appoint the Chief Justice as well as judges of the Supreme Court. Okay, so that is given in this para. The next one, the qualifications. Yes. So, what are the qualifications of the Supreme Court judges? Okay, Supreme Court judges. So, they should be a citizen of India. Supreme Court judges as well as a Chief Justice, everybody, they should be a citizen of India. Then, moreover, he or she should have worked as a judge of the High Court for at least. So, if they need to become a judge or Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, they must have these qualifications. They must be work as a judge of the High Court for at least 5 years. Okay. Then third point, it deals about, he should have worked as an advocate. Yes, as an advocate of High Court for at least 10 years. So, judge, as a judge of the High Court, 5 years they have to work as a judge of the High Court. Okay. Then, as an advocate of High Court, how many years they have to work? 10 years they should have the experience as a advocate of the High Court. Okay, so totally how many years they should have the experience in the High Court? In the sense, they should have nearly 15 years experience in the High Court. Then only they can become a member. They can become a judge as well as Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Okay. Yes, the next one, he is in the opinion of the President, a distinguished jurist. What does mean by distinguished jurist? In the sense, highly qualified law professor. Yes, otherwise in Tamil we can tell Satta Vallunar. Okay, he is in the opinion of the President, a distinguished jurist. That he should have the high qualification they need as a law professor. That's the meaning. Then only those members only can become a can be a judge of the Supreme Court. Okay, so that is the thing. The next, what is given in the sense, in your book it is given, page number 255 it is given, children. You can check it. It's very, very interesting. The Constitution also provides for the appointment of judges to the Supreme Court on an ad hoc basis. What is meant by ad hoc? In the sense, temporary basis also. Some judges are working as a some judges are working in the Supreme Court. Yes, so which is giving the permission in the sense the Constitution permits that. Okay, then how many years till how much years of age they can be work as a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. They can be work as a judges of the Supreme Court in the sense a age limit is there till 65 years of age only they can be work as a Supreme Court judge as well as the Supreme Court Chief Justice. Okay, then judges of the Supreme Court can resign. Okay, so they can resign, that is their interest. Okay, when they are resigning, resignation letter they have to hand over to the President, because President only appointing these persons, is it? So that's what I am telling. Okay, so resignation letter they should be hand over to the President. Okay, then the Parliament also has the power to remove the judges. Okay, so when the Parliament can remove the judges in the sense when the impeachment okay, during the time of the impeachment by using the impeachment provisions. So impeachment in the sense the last class and all I told, I think so, is it? Yes, the last classes and all I told many times impeachment, what is the meaning? Is the charge of misconduct, a charge of misconduct. Okay, so that is the impeachment. Okay, so the parliament has the power to bring the impeachment is over the chief justice as well as judges of the Supreme Court. Okay, then what is given in the sense the Supreme Court has its where it is located. It's very very important, children, where it is located in New Delhi. Yes, then this is very important. I'm going to tell this point, this is very important. It may also sit any other place in India. Yes, they can change the location of the Supreme Court. Yes, that is in the hands of the Chief Justice of India with the approval of the President of India. So it is in the Chief Justice hand. Okay, but he has to ask from the President of India, like that they are telling. Yes, actually here what is given in the sense that Supreme Court is it's located, otherwise it's situated in New Delhi. It may also sit in any other place in India, but it's decided by it should be decided by the Chief Justice of India, but he has to consult with the President of India. Yes, the next what is given in the sense already I told, I think so, when I was teaching the third lesson, state government lesson, is that time I told that powers and functions of the High Court, the same powers and functions only Supreme Court also have. Yes, so what are the powers are there in the sense, the powers and functions are there in the sense, the first one, original jurisdiction. The next one, appellate jurisdiction. Yes, next one, appellate jurisdiction. Then third one, advisory jurisdiction. The next one, miscellaneous jurisdiction. Other functions. Okay, that is the miscellaneous. Then the last one, judicial review. The first one I am going to explain, children, original jurisdiction. Yes, original jurisdiction. So it's very very interesting, children. The powers, the original jurisdiction, that's the first and foremost power of the Supreme Court as well as High Court. Okay, the cases, if the cases comes directly to the Supreme Court, that is come under the original jurisdiction. If the person files his case directly to the Supreme Court, that is called as original jurisdiction. Okay, so what are the types are there? In the sense of three types are there. So original jurisdiction in the sense a dispute in the sense fight, otherwise conflict, otherwise quarrel. Okay, quarrel between the government of India and one or more states. Okay, quarrel with the government of India. Dispute between government of India and one or more states. That is the first situation. The next one, dispute between two or more states. Okay, for water problem in Karnataka as well as Tamil Nadu, once upon a time they were fought, so that is a dispute between, that is under the original jurisdiction. The next one, the last one, the writs are issued by the Supreme Court. Okay, the writs. Yes, writs in the sense many writs are there: habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, qua warranto. Yes, such a prohibition. So those writs, who has the right to pass the writs in the sense Supreme Court has the power to pass the writs. So the writs are passed by the, otherwise issued by the Supreme Court for the enforcement of the fundamental rights. Okay, enforcement in the sense implementation. Okay, implement, amulpaduthuvadil. Okay, yes, so that's the thing. The next one, that appellate jurisdiction. If the cases, the original jurisdiction in the sense, if the cases are directly comes into the Supreme Court in the sense, that is called as original jurisdiction. The next one, appellate jurisdiction. For example, the particular person, already, the person, he went to High Court. Okay, he couldn't, accept the verdict of High Court. Okay, so the second time, if he is filing his case in the Supreme Court, that is called as appellate jurisdiction. See, the Supreme Court is the final appellate court in the country. Yes, regarding that appellate jurisdiction, the Supreme Court hears appeals against the decision of High Court. What are the cases? In civil cases, criminal cases, as well as the constitutional cases with the but the person has to produce the certificate. Okay, he has to produce the certificates of the High Court to the Supreme Court. Then only it will be fit to appeal. Then only the case can appeal in the Supreme Court. That is given here, children. Yes, so listen carefully, children. Here, yes, here what is given in the sense, yeah, civil, criminal, constitutional cases and all, they can file in the the Supreme Court, but they have to get the certificate from the High Court that it is fit to appeal. Then only it will be they can be apply. Otherwise they can be appeal in the Supreme Court. Yes, such a case can be brought before the Supreme Court. Okay, before the Supreme Court only if the High Court certificate, they have to certify. Yes, the High Court has to give the certificate that the case invites a substantial of law. What does mean by substantial of law? In the sense, as per the Constitution, we need more explanation. Okay, law explanation we need. Yes, rather than High Court, if they need more and more explanation about the particular case, they can be appealed in the Supreme Court, like that they are telling. Okay, so that is the appellate jurisdiction. For the appellate jurisdiction person, that the person first itself, he used to go to High Court. Okay, High Court verdict, if he disliked, in the sense, second time, okay, second time he is appealing in the Supreme Court. So that condition, so that is the appellate jurisdiction. If the person directly moves into the Supreme Court, that is called as original jurisdiction. Second time if he is going, yes, that is the appellate jurisdiction. Okay, the next one, what is given in the sense, children, advisory. Yes, so what is given in the sense, advisory jurisdiction. What is meant by advisory jurisdiction? Advisory jurisdiction in the sense, the Constitution, yes, confers, the Constitution confers on the president the power to refer to the Supreme Court any question of law. What is the meaning? In the sense, the president. So this one, the third one, what is the meaning I am telling, children? The president has the right to ask the Supreme Court regarding the public importance. So what, once again I am telling, advisory jurisdiction, what is the meaning? In the sense, advisory jurisdiction, what is the meaning? In the sense, the president has the right to ask the Supreme Court regarding, otherwise about the public importance. Okay, so that's the thing, children. The next one, miscellaneous jurisdiction. What is meant by miscellaneous jurisdiction? In the sense, the law, yes, the law declared by the Supreme Court is binding in the sense, controlled. Yes, so Supreme Court has the power to control all the courts within the territory of India. Yes, he has the power. Supreme Court has the power to control High Court, subordinate court, district court and other courts also. Okay, so that's the thing, children. The next point, what is given in this is, Supreme Court is authorized. Okay, so they can be authorized to make rules. Yes, rules for regulations. Generally, the practice and procedure of the court procedure, the practices, everything, who has the right to regulate? Supreme Court has the power to regulate the, regulate the practices and procedures of other courts. Okay, so but they have to get the, Supreme Court has to get the approval from the president. Okay, the last one, what is given, judicial review. Yes, so who has the power? In the sense, here Supreme Court has the power to tell the particular constitution, particular article of the Constitution. Okay, so it is unconstitutional, otherwise null and void, like that. Who has the power? In the sense, Supreme Court. The power of the judiciary, here it is given, the power of the judiciary is to declare the particular law as unconstitutional. What is meant by unconstitutional? In the sense, null and void, chelladu. Okay, so because it is violating the Constitution. Yes, this is called as judicial review. The Supreme Court enjoys this power. The Supreme Court of India has the individual review power with regarding to, yes, regarding to three things. Yes, what are the things are the four things? What are the things are there in the sense a dispute between central and state? Yes, the Supreme Court has the power to tell the particular decision, that's a null and void because it is violating the rules and regulations of the constitution. Like that, who has the power to tell? Supreme Court. The next one, to interpret and clarify the provisions of the constitution about which there are some doubts and differences of opinion. When the doubts comes, when the differences of comes, in the sense Supreme Court has the power to clarify that. Okay, so clarify that's the thing. Then protecting the fundamental rights. So it is protecting, Supreme Court is the guardian of the Indian constitution. Like that I told, I think so. Okay, it is protecting the fundamental rights of the people. The last one, those the what are the things are there? Yes, fourth one, those laws. Okay, those laws passed by the legislature which are not in accordance with the constitution. Okay, so these are the things are there, children. You can check your book. If you have the doubt during the time of the interaction also, you can ask. Okay, so we can mark the question answers, children. So this class, regarding the Attorney General of India as well as the Supreme Court. Yes, regarding that, we learned, yes, essays are there as well as 2 marks also there, children. We can mark the question answers. Take your book, page number 257. Yes, 257, children. The first one is president. First one is president. Second one, speaker of Lok Sabha. Second one, speaker of Lok Sabha. Third one, Lok Sabha. Third one, Lok Sabha. Then fourth one, 25 years. 25 years. 25 years. Next one, fifth one, parliament. Parliament, not president, children. Parliament. Parliament is the answer. Sorry. Parliament will come. The fifth one, not a president, children. Parliament is the answer. Parliament is the answer. Fifth one. Okay. Sixth one, Article 360, that is the B is the answer. Seventh one, president is the answer. Yes. The next one, second one, Roman letter 2. The first one is, sorry, children. Fill in the blanks. Money bill. Money bill. Next one, prime minister. The prime minister. The prime minister. Third one, the vice president. Spelling everything, you can check this and then write it. The vice president, third one. Fourth one, attorney general. Attorney general. Fifth one, 65 years. 65 years. Then sixth one, Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Seventh one, 34 judges. 34 judges. Next one, choose the correct statement answer. First one, D. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Second one answer, A. A is the correct answer. A part is the correct answer. The next one, match the following. By checking this, you can mark it. Executive power of the president. Number 1. Article 63, office of the vice president. Office of the vice president. Third one, Article 356, internal emergency. Fourth one, Article 76, office of the attorney general. Fifth one, Article 352, that is the state emergency. State emergency. That's all, children. The next one, page numbers, everything you can mark it. Page numbers, everything you can mark it, children. Page numbers, everything, by checking my video you can mark it. Roman letter 5, this one, 2 mark answer. Then essay page number you can note down. Essay page number you can note down. Then fourth question you can note down. Then children, we can mark the question answers. Children, you can take the page number 249. Page wise we can mark, children. Page wise we can mark. Election of the president para. Election of the president para, page number 249. 2 mark we are marking. 2 mark we are marking, children. The first question. The president is elected by an electoral college. Election of the president para, first line onwards till 8th line. Puducherry, 5-1. Then the same page you can check it, page number 249. Powers of the president. Executive power full, 6-1. Executive power full, 6-1. Then next page take it, judicial power full, 6-1. Page wise we are marking, children, not question wise. Page wise we are marking. Judicial power full, 6-1. So judicial power as well as the executive power only they are asking under the 6-1. Okay? Yes. The next one. Page number 252 take it. Categories of ministers para full, 5-2. Categories of ministers para full, 5-2. Page number 253 take it. Money bill para, do you know column? Money bill full, 5-4. Then again 252, page number 252 check it. Duties and functions of the Prime Minister para full, 6-3. Till SAARC nations, 6-3. Next one, 254 take it. 254. Powers and functions of the Parliament full, 3 points. 6-4. Powers and functions of the Parliament, 6-4. Then page number 255 take it. Page number 255. The top one para is there now for Attorney General. Second line, he, you strike out he. Instead of he, you have to write Attorney General of India. Attorney General of India, like that write it, Attorney General. Spelling in it is nearby only. General of India, like that you can write it. Attorney General of India has the right till the para end. 5-6, Roman letter 5, 6th answer. Okay, the same page 255, original jurisdiction para. Original jurisdiction para full. There 3 powers only they were asking. That's what till advisory jurisdiction you can mark. Any 3 jurisdiction only. So but you should not select small paras and all. First 3 para mark it, 6-2. Again the same page 255. Qualification of Supreme Court judge, like that one para is there now. Qualification of Supreme Court judge, he must be a citizen of India. Yes, so that one 5-3. Till distinguished jurist, 4 points. Okay, yes, this much only, children. I think I made you to mark everything. Yes. List out. Yeah. Five answers whether we marked or not. Page number 255. Five 255. Page number. What is the question? List out any two special powers of the Attorney General of India. Yeah, sorry. 5 6 like that I told. No, that is five answer. 5 6 like that I said, no children. That is the five answer. Okay. Yes, five answer. Okay, ma. Find out the time and then learn. Okay, exams are very closer. Okay. Is if you have any doubt in the during the time of the interaction session also you can ask children. Okay. Yes, find out the time and then learn. Okay, children. Thank you.